may shampoo para doon sa mga may problema sa scalp or may dandruff, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina, yun ang dapat gagamitin. Kasi sabon is more, ang ingredients na is more the skin naman, so ang shampoo is more on the hair, on the scalp, so I still go for shampoo. Sa mga pangailangan ng mga kliyente, so kami mismo yung nakakaalam kung anong kailangan nila, so kami mismo gumawa ng sarili naming product na shampoo at marami pa kaming lalabas ng mga produkto. So go for the expert, ask them, at sila nakakaalam para sa inyo. You can buy our product, our own shampoo and conditioner sa lahat ng David Salon branches, and very affordable siya at napakaganda.
Ang Amazing Trio ay nagtataglay ng berries, mushrooms, ester C at iba pang mga sangkap na pawang nagtutulong-tulong upang palakasin ang ating katawan. Malalaman natin ang mga benefits na nakukuha ng mga tao sa mga sangkap na ito.
Ang berries kasi ay napaka-powerful na antioxidant. Kasi, di ba, matitingkad yung mga kulay nila. Habang ang prutas o ang vegetable ay matingkad ang kulay, napakataas ng antioxidant property niyan. Sabihin, nakakatulong po sa pagdaloy ng dugo. So, may iwasan yung mga bara-bara ng puso at sa digestion. So, yung mga constipated dyan, gaganda po yung kanilang digestive system nila. Tapos, yung may mga diabetes, maganda po itong pampababa ng blood sugar. So, at saka po ito ay may anti-aging property. So, nakakapabata. Yun ang ilan sa mga health benefits na nabibigay nitong mga berries na yan. Mushrooms ay powerful immune system booster. So, ang tawag sa kanila ay immune potentiator. Ang immune system po kasi natin ay napaka-importante kasi sila po yung nagpo-produce ng mga cells na they act as the first line of defense sa ating katawan. So, yung mga cells po na to ay sila po yung nagpapatay, nakaka-recognize at pinapatay po nila yung mga invaders sa katawan natin, kagaya ng bacteria, kagaya ng virus, kagaya ng parasites, kagaya ng fungi, at pati po yung mga tumors, yung mga new growth, pati cancer. So, nare-recognize po nila yan at pag strong po yung ating immune system, papatayin po nila yan, yung mga invaders na yan sa ating katawan. Ang ester C, yan po ay pinakamagandang vitamin C. Kasi po, yan po ay hindi ascorbic acid. So, ibig sabihin po ay hindi siya nakakasakit ng tiyan. Kasi pag acid, pag mataas na po yung miligramo na iniinom ng isang tao, masasaktan na po siya, no? Yung tiyan niya. But ito po ay calcium ascorbate, ester C. At ito po ay stomach friendly. At isa po this will protect the body, the individual for 24 hours.
A food supplement is a preparation that aims to provide nutrients that include vitamins, minerals, fiber, fatty acids, or amino acids that are lacking in sufficient quantity in a person's diet. It cannot be denied that health is a significant factor in one's well-being. That is why maintaining a healthy lifestyle is a must to live longer happily. With its healthy ingredients, Amazing Trio is one example of food supplement that can definitely give favorable results.
Ang Amazing Trio composed of 3 products. One is Mega A, composed of 5 berries known as super antioxidant to neutralize free radicals. Second is Multified, composed of 5 very powerful mushroom known as super immune booster. Third is Miracle C, a unique vitamin C, calcium ascorbate with 4 kinds of bioflavonoids to become more powerful in the body because it is rich in multivitamins and minerals. Inaanyayahan ko po ang ating mga kababayan na subukan ang Amazing Trio na galing po sa USA para matulungan sila na makamtan ang magandang kalusugan sapagkat sa mga panahon na po nito ay nakakatakot po ang mga karamdaman na katulad ng cancer, acute diabetes, renal failure, heart disease at iba pa. Kaya subukan po natin. There's a saying that there's no harm in trying than none at all.
Good morning, I'm Chef Kat and welcome to Generation RX. We are here at MC Home Depot, Rollin Kitchen System Showroom. Today, I will show you how to put a twist to your classic peanut butter and jelly. I will prepare for you the Kingsway Bacon Peanut Butter Jelly Roll. So, here are the ingredients for the Kingsway Bacon Peanut Butter and Jelly Roll. We have whole wheat tortillas, bacon, grape jelly jam, peanut butter, and apple slices. So let's start. This is actually a very easy dish. Okay siya for breakfast. So what you have to do is just spread peanut butter on one side, then the grape jelly on the other. And then from here, we put the apple slices. Actually, it's your choice. You can also use other fruits you want. We've made the classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich much healthier because we placed the fruits already here. And then let's top it with bacon. Kingsway bacon is made from prime belly cut and is actually leaner than most bacon that could be found in the market. Hence, it is a healthier alternative. So this is actually a very easy dish to do. What you have to do is just spread the peanut butter and the grape jam on the pita. And then put the apple slices and top it with bacon and just roll it. So now we're gonna slice it. I'll just remove the edges. Did you know that Mr. Koo Eun Kai, founder of Kingsway, first experimented and perfected the production of hams, especially the Chinese ham bone-in, which Kingsway became known for. But due to the growing Western influence during the 70s, the company adapted by diversifying into other product lines such as cold meats and sausages. So, here is our finished product, the Kingsway Bacon Peanut Butter and Jelly Roll. It will definitely leave your guests craving for more. Hopefully you enjoyed the dish we prepared for you today. We would like to thank Whirlpool, Fuji Denso, and Glem Kitchen Appliances. You can call them at 712-0535. For more information on our recipe today, check out our website at www.kingsway.com. You can also add us on Facebook, just type Kingsway. Use Kingsway products to give your dishes a taste fit for a king. This is Chef Kat. See you next week.
Sumptuous, delectable, mouth-watering. Kingsway Ham. A taste fit for a king. Available at all leading supermarkets nationwide.
Kung problema ang pera, di dapat mag-alala. Kalusugan ng katawan, iyong makakamtan sa murang halaga.
Magbebonsi, araw-araw, kayang-kaya, kalusugan. Magbebonsi, magbebonsi, magbebonsi.
Multivitamins plus Lysine Bevon C. Kayang-kaya ang kalusugan. Available at Mercury Drug and leading drugstores nationwide.
Shape your body. Rejuvenate your skin. See the new you. Try the non-surgical aesthetics and regenerative medicine only here at Rejuvena Medical Clinic.
Robust enhances male potency. May 4 na ancient herbs na nagpapataas ng libido at sexual performance ng mga lalaki. Satisfaction guaranteed. Sa Robust, titibay ang inyong pagsasama.
Astig.
Mating panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Welcome to Skin Matters, your skin magazine on TV. Dito sa Zen Institute, their facial spa with diamond peel is like no other. Let us find out why this is such a gratifying treatment.
How do you maintain good skin? Here at the Zen Institute, we offer the basic of skincare. At hindi po ito kakaiba, pero kakaiba ang effect niya. We use usually the basic skincare like facial spa and diamond peel. Ang basic facial ay inuumpisahan parati ng cleansing. So makikita nyo with cleansing the skin, no? So after the cleansing, we usually do the massage of the face. So sa pamamagitan ng massage, hindi lang tinutone ng skin kung hindi nire-relax muli ang pasyente. Okay, and then after the massage, then definitely, ayan na po, we try to open the pores para nang sa ganon, mawala ang mga clogged pores na yan. So by doing the steam, and at the same time, we call it comedone extraction, or in layman's term, the pricking. Siyempre po, hindi po kahit sino pwedeng mag-prick. Kinakailangan well-trained ang ating mga therapist dahil alam nila kung kailan dapat i-prick at kung kailan naman hindi dapat i-prick. After pricking, we use the high frequency. This high frequency definitely closes the pores. Nang sa ganon, safe tayo at hindi po magkaroon ng infection ang ating balat. After high frequency, naglalagay tayo ng mask. Pero ito pong mask na to will now depend on your skin type. Ito pong seaweed mask na to has some antiseptic effect or antibacterial effect nang sa ganon, mabawasan ng bacteria sa ating mukha. Another treatment for skincare maintenance is the so-called microdermabrasion. Ang kadalasang tawag ng layman dyan ay diamond peel. Sana po napanood nyo ang iba't ibang mga treatments ng The Zen Institute. Hindi lamang po yan nagpapaganda ng ating panglabas na kaanyuan, kung hindi nagpapaganda rin ng ating pakiramdam. Yan nga po ang tinatawag nating total beauty inside and out. And that is the promise of the Zen Institute. I'm Dr. MJ, and if you want to learn more about our treatments, you can log on to our website at www.thezeninstitute.com. So again, don't hesitate to visit the Zen Institute, a medical spa.
Clear and beautiful skin is an asset. And that is exactly what the facial spa with diamond peel treatment of the Zen Institute delivers to their clients. Thank you for watching Skin Matters, your skin magazine on TV, and thank you to Krisha for my clothes. See you next week.